In today's business world, having a killer proposal presentation is crucial. It can make or break your success in a competitive market. So whether you're trying to sell a new product, secure funding, or form a partnership, a persuasive presentation can grab people's attention and motivate them to act. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 important steps to help you create a powerful business proposal presentation that will truly impress your audience. So let's dive right in. Step 1, research and define. Before creating your business proposal presentation, it's crucial to define your objective and identify your target audience first. Ask yourself this: what do you want to achieve with this presentation? Are you seeking investment, partnership, or approval? Understanding your objective is going to help you shape the content and tone of your proposal. Additionally, ask yourself, who's your audience? Knowing your target audience will allow you to tailor your message to resonate with their interests and needs. Step 2, structure and outline. A well-structured presentation ensures a smooth flow of information and keeps your audience engaged. To do that, begin with a compelling introduction that grabs attention and provides context. Then, follow it up with a concise overview of your proposal, highlighting key benefits and value propositions. Afterward, provide detailed information about your product, service, or project, including market analysis, competitive advantages, and financial projections. And finally, conclude with a strong call to action and some clear next steps. And you don't even need to create the structure from scratch. You can simply use a Prezi presentation template, just like this one right here, that provides a great canvas for structuring your business proposal presentation. If you want to learn more about how to successfully structure a presentation, check out a video on this topic right here or in the description box below. Step 3, design. Visual elements play a crucial role in capturing and retaining your audience's attention. And what better way to grab their attention than by using Prezi to design your business proposal presentation? Prezi is the ideal tool for creating captivating presentations that will grab your audience's attention. Make sure to enrich your Prezi presentation with visually appealing graphics, charts, and images to enhance your impact. Also, avoid overcrowding slides with text and opt for bullet points and concise statements. And lastly, maintain a consistent color scheme, legible fonts, and appropriate font sizes. Remember, simplicity and clarity are key to conveying your message effectively, which you can see here through this Prezi presentation example we're showing here. If you want to learn more about presentation design, check out this video right here or find it in the description box below. Step 4, storytelling and examples. To make your presentation more engaging, incorporate storytelling techniques and real-life examples. Stories will evoke emotions and help your audience connect with your proposal on a deeper level. On that note, Prezi offers a unique way to illustrate the connections between different ideas, creating a visually captivating and engaging storytelling experience. With that, you can share success stories, testimonials, or case studies that illustrate the effectiveness of your solution. Additionally, make sure to use persuasive language and compelling narratives to inspire trust and confidence in your proposal. Step 5, rehearse and refine. Practice makes perfect when it comes to delivering a persuasive business proposal presentation. So make sure to rehearse your presentation multiple times to ensure a smooth delivery and confident presence. And do that in front of your friends and family to test run your material. Also, pay attention to your body language, voice modulation, and pacing to ensure a confident delivery. Lastly, seek feedback from trusted people and make necessary adjustments to improve your presentation's effectiveness. So there you have it. By following these 5 key steps, defining your objective, structuring the presentation, enhancing visual appeal, engaging with storytelling, and rehearsing diligently, you can create a persuasive business proposal that stands out from the crowd. Remember, a well-executed presentation has the power to inspire action, forge partnerships, and propel your business towards success. So make sure to create an attention-grabbing presentation with Prezi that moves and inspires your audience. I'm Neva from Prezi's marketing team, and I wish you success in creating an impactful presentation. Have fun, and see you next time.